Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over Fiverr best practices, key strategies to help you grow your freelancing business, attract clients, and earn more. If you're new to Fiverr or looking to level up your profile, this video is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. First, focus on creating a strong profile. Use a professional profile picture and write a clear, friendly bio that explains your skills and experience. Highlight what makes you unique and how you can solve clients' problems. Remember, your profile is the first impression clients get, so make it count. Next, craft high-quality gigs. Use clear, keyword-rich titles and write detailed descriptions that explain exactly what clients will receive. Include examples of your work, and if possible, add a gig video. High-quality visuals and engaging content make your gig stand out in a crowded marketplace. Another best practice is set realistic pricing and delivery times. When starting out, it's okay to offer competitive rates to build reviews. Make sure your delivery times are achievable and always aim to exceed client expectations. Consistently delivering on time helps you build credibility and positive feedback. Communication is key. Respond promptly to client inquiries, clarify project details, and be polite and professional. Good communication builds trust and often leads to repeat clients or referrals. Also, collect and leverage reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for ranking and credibility. Always ask satisfied clients to leave feedback and use their testimonials to improve your profile and attract new clients. Finally, keep learning and improving. Fiverr is competitive, so stay updated on trends in your niche, optimize your gigs regularly, and explore new services you can offer. Being proactive and adaptive helps you stand out and grow your freelancing business over time. In short, Fiverr best practices include a strong profile, high-quality gigs, realistic pricing, excellent communication, positive reviews, and continuous improvement. Follow these strategies and you'll be on your way to a successful freelancing career. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are freelancing, and subscribe for more tips on Fiverr and online work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.